Good afternoon. Welcome to Joe Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for May 25th through June 6th. For May 25th to the 29th, the pattern remains locked in place, consisting of a deep trough here in the west, and we have a fairly strong ridge here in the eastern U.S. over the southeast. The northeast and mid-Atlantic are lying between a confluence between northern and southern streams, with a frontal boundary fluctuating over the Carolinas lifts northward as a warm front. And this pattern favors hot and dry conditions in the southeast. A broad southwest flow aloft and a southerly flow at the surface would favor periods of convection and locally heavy rain across the plains into the Midwest. So we're going to look now at the maps. The southeast will experience intense heat with highs in the 90s to low 100s under the upper ridge. The west will experience below normal temperatures along with abundant cloud cover and rain with some higher elevation snows, as you can see right here. We have some snow here across this higher elevations. And the east, a series of fronts will move through the plains and parts of the east and will bring rainfall that can be locally heavy with several inches possible. So here we are, 2 a.m. tomorrow. Say we see rain here and storms occurring in the plains. Then we go to 8 p.m. Then we go further. Now here's another front coming through, bringing rain into portions of the east. That's 2 a.m. on Saturday. Then we go to 8 a.m. on Sunday. You see we have more scattered rain. This is with the frontal boundary here. But we expect an unsettled pattern. This may bring heavy rainfall in a short amount of time over areas that have seen quite a bit of rainfall recently, causing the threat of flooding. From May 28th to June 1st, the pattern remains the same, little change in overall circulation as we go through the various models. Not expecting much of a change. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for areas east of the Mississippi River. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. And we have below normal temperatures for this region here with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest into the upper Mississippi Valley. And also here across eastern southern Texas into the lower mid-Atlantic region, southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation across this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. As we get into the later half of the period, this is June 2nd to the 6th. Now, you can see this is GFS, and this keeps a ridge over here, same intensity, but smaller, across here with above normal heights and trough. But the other models are showing a tendency for flatter flow with lowering heights over the southeast as the trough moves eastward. We're expecting some kind of a trough here in the east, possibly, but it looks like we have rising heights here in the northwest or portions of the west, lowering heights here in the east. So overall, this is what I'm forecasting for this period. I am forecast. Oh, forgot the indices. I think we'll have a trough in the east, and this will be supported by the negative NAO and positive PNA, and this will bring that pattern change. And it might be short-lived, but we'll see how that goes. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting. Are you gonna pop up or what? I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and portions of the southeast, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal due to the rising heights, but that might be later on in the period. and we have below normal temperatures here into the northeast and mid-Atlantic, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast. And the probability of occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here and for the mid-Atlantic, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for May 25th through June 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.